Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe Silva. Today has kind of been a slow day. Not much going on today. Got a really bad headache, which is usual for me it seems like. So I just watched Mortal Kombat. And I must say it is very, very good. It puts the other ones to shame. I really enjoyed it because it was nice to have it be more realistic than the cheesy original ones. I also think I think it's interesting that we that they're making a lot of these new movies coming out, like Cruella de Vil. I kind of like the fact that they're making villains now instead of these hero movies, because after a while the hero movies get a little too much. They get a little too, how you say, unrealistic. It was like the Rocky movies. He gets beat up, trains really hard, comes back and wins. And now they're making a movie called Black Adam, which I think is really cool because it would be cool to see The Rock as a bad guy. And they're making a movie called Harry Potter: The Cursed Child, which I hear it's supposed to be pretty good. So time will tell, and we will see. I've been thinking about really hard about how to do these daily vlogs to kind of clear my head and get what's in my head to the world. The other part that really makes this kind of that I find intriguing and kind of irritating sometimes is it seems like everyone in this world is in too big of a hurry these days. You drive down the road and you see people in such a hurry that people run red lights and they are rude and stuff. I just People need to slow down because you only live once, so you might as well, you know, live life to the fullest, right? But it doesn't mean to be rude and hateful about it or be a dick about it. So I decided that I'm going to start doing interviews for interviewing people who have interesting, like, careers. Like, we'll be talking to people who who do sound healing and pendulum and every everything else, because it'd be interesting to have them share their point of view to the world on this, so that they'll be able to spread their message, to be able to show what they do to the rest of the world. So who knows? Maybe you might try it because it's interesting and fascinating to me. So and there's a new show now on Netflix called Blood and Soul. I hear it's supposed to be a pretty good show, and I will definitely be giving it a look at today. And tomorrow, after I check it out, after today, after I check the show out, I'll give my review on it tomorrow. Because that's what I'm doing. And before I sign off today, I have very interesting product review that I found earlier today, yesterday, that I've been using for quite some time, and it helps a lot. If you ever deal with stress and you need some way to kind of like de-stress without, you know, a simple way, a calming effect, calming way of de-stressing, I highly recommend this product called Calm. Put a teaspoon of this in your favorite juice, your favorite tea, your coffee, even your smoothie, and this stuff will help you de-stress. It helps you kind of like let the stress of the day kind of just melts away. And there's different flavors. This flavor is raspberry lemon, which is my favorite. They have a watermelon flavor, and they have other different flavors. They even have them in gummies, powder. Yeah, this stuff is amazing. So, and I found this stuff at Natural Grocers, and I can highly recommend. I recommend this stuff a lot. So, yeah, there's that. So I hope everyone has a great day. And as always, I'm Joel Silva. And as always, keep it smooth.